Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can apply a chroma key effect or remove the green screen from your photos and designs on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to the design with the given photo, and what you want to do first, guys, is make sure that the given photo or layer is selected here in a list of layers so that you may apply the chroma key to it. So there are several ways how you can achieve this in 2026. The method I use is I navigate to the pixel tab here at the top, then right click into the object selection tool and switch to flood select tool with your left mouse. Then guys, what you want to do is left click into the area you would like to apply the effect for. And what you want to do as well is make sure that this option here is disabled. And then here next to tolerance, guys, what you want to do is click into that drop down menu and find your preferred tolerance. So for me, it works usually between 15 and 20%, but you may go with any option you want to go with. And then left click into the given area. And then guys, what you want to do is press delete and to get rid of the green screen, as you can see, guys, and that's how it works. So if there is, for example, some areas left with the given color, you may try a different tolerance here and see how it turns out then, right? So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.